This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, we are going to compare Flipper Zero with T-Embed regarding sub-gigahertz frequency. So we already seen Flipper Zero in our previous videos as well. Right now, I just want to focus on T-Embed. So there's a feature in T-Embed in which we can translate signals as well. So let me just go back and let me just focus. So over here you can see RF, which is for radio frequency. And in Flipper Zero, what we can do is we can just read the signal and then we can emulate that signal, right? This is what we can do using a Flipper Zero device. But in T-Embed, we have some extra features as well. So not only we can read signal, we can emulate signal, and we can translate signal as well. So let me tell you what I mean by this. So let me just go scan and copy. Let me just first go back and let me just go raw record. And over here you can see we have different ranges for frequencies. So if you don't know about your device, you can just look in these ranges first. So let me just go in this range and let me just press this button. So over here you can see it can read this signal in this range, and this is the exact frequency of this remote. Let me just focus. So over here you can see it has fixed the frequency on which we found our remote. So let me just go back, exit, and we will again go in RF and scan and copy. And this time let me just press the button. Over here you can see, let me just focus. So over here you can see we can find the frequency as well. Let me just focus. So over here you can see we can find the frequency as well. We can see the signal, total number of signals which are sent, and there is also a key type. Over here you can see, if I can focus, the digits are small, but over here you can see the key type. So key is the translation of the signal, basically what data is sending on this signal. So let me just press another button and you will see the signal is changed. See, the data is changed on signal. So you can translate signals and you can find what data is sent on every signal, right? So let me press another button. Over here you can see the data is changed again. Let me press some other buttons as well. So every time the data is changed. See, so you can use T-Embed to not only find the signal, but you can also translate the signals. Thank you.